Hey, what's up everybody? My name is D. Welcome to my YouTube channels, and today let's talk about WordPress multi-site and how you can turn it into a real business or businesses. Let's get started. Just a little bit about myself. I quit my job about 2 years ago, and ever since I've been doing freelance work for a living. I can tell you that is the best decisions I've ever made. Have you ever worked for somebody that you don't want to work too hard because they are paying you too little? Well, that was me. I didn't want to do any more 9 to 5 because I felt like I could do so much more with that time and get a better result. Plus, I want to travel the world and work as hard as I can to make a better living for myself. That's when I started to take the risk of not having a stable job, and I start to move back to Vietnam to build my startup here. I felt like it's necessary for any startup to stay laser focused on building their business and limit the expenses as much as possible, because we are not born rich and we have nothing under our name, so it's your responsibility to change your destiny. A few years ago, I heard about WordPress multi-site, and I was hooked on the ideas of hosting all of the client's website under just one WordPress installation. Check out my course about building a web hosting business using a WordPress multi-site in the video descriptions. In that course, I show you guys all the technicals of how to build a web hosting business using WordPress multi-site. I have created a video to show you guys how I make $400 a month using the web hosting business with WordPress multi-site. I know $400 is not a lot, but because I'm living in Vietnam and the cost of living over here are very cheap, so it's giving me a lot of freedom to do whatever I want. Okay guys, so this is WordPress multi-site, and this is the admin dashboard, and these are all of the sites I have available on my live network. Okay, and this one right here is the clone of the network. It has all the functionalities. Like right here we have the pricing table. User can actually come over here and install the site on this clone network also. This is the admin of the clone network. So the reason I'm showing you guys this is that some people, they don't want to learn from the course, but they want to own the network. So all they have to do is just contact me to purchase the clone network. So basically the network is hosted on Cloudway. All I have to do now after they purchase the network is that I will transfer the server to them by sending it via email. And all they have to do is just accept the transfer. So the network comes with a lifetime license key. This is great for any web design freelancers who want to make some extra money from hosting their client's website, or anybody want to build an online business that generates monthly recurring income. If you think about it, with just one WordPress installations, you can install multiple websites. I mean multiple businesses. You can install a e-commerce online store. You can build a restaurant's website. You can build a hotel booking website. You can build a blog. You can build any businesses you can imagine of. And right now I'm using Cloudway, and I pay about $20 for about 50-60 sites, and they still running smoothly. And it's a pretty good feeling when you get paid every month from your business, and you know that your business can run on autopilot. I mean, in my case, now that I'm getting paid on autopilot, I have so much freedom, so much time to reinvent myself. And in the futures, I want to scale up the business so that I can have that cash flow and I can use that cash flow to invest in myself, invest in the knowledge. You know me, I always wanted to be on electrical engineering. I dropped out of school because I couldn't afford all the textbooks, and I couldn't afford all the classes, and I couldn't afford to have so much time in school and not having enough time to make money or to go to work. But once you can generate income on autopilot, now that I can generate income on autopilot, I wanted to learn about electrical engineering and start to invent new things for my curiosities, and to hopefully to help the humankind. I know it's a big dream of mine, and my teachers, she told me, if you shoot for the star, you probably end up somewhere on the moon if you miss the star. So alright, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channels. I will be truly appreciated, and please hit that like button. Thank you. Bye bye.